Not sure who's teamed up with who here in this one, but we'll just have some fun, call it as we can. No engine in the back. The front guy is doing the towing here in this race. Still more of them coming out here. Hustle it up. Hustle it up.
And 12 laps will be the distance. Got a couple minivans. That's interesting.
Get ready to go. 12 laps. Are you guys ready? Let me hear ya. Here we come out of turn 4, 12 laps in the chain race. Watch for this stuff. Gets pretty wild out there.
And into turns 1 and 2 down the back straight away go. The number 79, that is real funkier leader, but here comes the number 8. That is Chris Hills.
4 wide, 8 wide down the back straightaway.
Wow.
Glenn Hills, and I think it's Carl Salt behind him in the 7. Yeah, the 2 and the 7 lead this chain race down the front straightaway.
And they're proving it pretty good because they complete lap number 1, so they are teaming up very well.
Again, enduro rules in play, no reds, no yellows, just reds if required.
Away from the fence, please, over in turns 3 and 4. Away from the fence, thank you. Sir in the black jacket, away from the fence.
Glenn Hills and Carl Salt already lapped a couple of the cars as they worked their way down the straightaway. Go get them, Fred.
Away from the fence, please. Everybody back.
Trouble on the bottom of 4 as the leaders come out. Glenn Hills and Carl Salt up on the high side as they work their way around the front straightaway. They're just dominating this Eve of Destruction so far. The Hills Brothers racing team doing a great job today. 4 laps in for Glenn Hills and Carl Salt. Not their first chain race. They do this out of Schweeken once in a while. I actually, Fran, got in the back caboose with Glenn Hills in a chain race before and never again. So Carl Salt and Glenn Hills just on cruise control here. Nobody really applying too much pressure to them yet, but they got to get around some of these lap cars on the bottom.
And they're locked in very easily. They're getting through there nicely. Whoa!
Oh, that's nice.
The car's been hit by his teammate over in turn 3 and 4. That's going to slow him down a little bit. The 17 team is dirt wagging around.
Front of the leader there, Fran. These guys aren't too straight. Now they get straightened up to the high side as Hills and Salt work their way to the inside.
They may not be the fastest out there, Clint, but they're definitely the smoothest. Lap 9, so there's 3 more laps to go in this chain race.
Look at them going 3 wide up through the middle. Leaders not timid whatsoever. And Hills and Salt look like they've lapped most of this field. Almost get into trouble in 4s. They start banging into one. Look at the chain starting to whip around in turn 4 for these cars. Being towed back to turn 4.
Absolutely no whipping action between our leaders. They are as smooth as can be out there.
not letting off the
Look
throttle.
at this whip going in the coming up at turn 4. They're both had a different direction. 27-18 team. White flag from John Beach for the Glen Hills Carl Salt team.
And here they come, the installation team of Glen Hills and Carl Salt, the number 2 and the number 7 checkers fly. And they win another one here at the Eve of Destruction.
Careful there, buddy. Don't want to wreck the front of your car with your teammate. Nice.
Yes.
I didn't finish that.
There they are, ladies and gentlemen. Glen Hills Carl Salt.